From the ruins of the past, I follow the echoes of time.
The Echoes of Time with Adnan.
In the heart of Tokyo, where glass towers pierce the clouds and neon lights dance across the night, lies a place that refuses to speak. It sits at the city's center, quiet, fenced off, watched by guards and ancient stone walls. This is the Imperial Palace, home to the Emperor of Japan. To most people, it's a serene landmark, surrounded by moats and cherry trees, a reminder of Japan's harmony and tradition. But beneath its beauty lies another city, one buried, sealed, and almost forgotten. A city of shoguns, samurai, and secrets. Because long before it became Tokyo's Imperial Palace, it was Edo Castle. The story begins in 1457. When a samurai warlord named Ota Doken built a small fortress on a marshland overlooking Tokyo Bay, then called Edo. At that time, this area was nothing but swampland and scattered fishing villages. But the fortress grew. Over the next century, it became the command center of the Tokugawa clan, the most powerful samurai family in Japan. By 1603, Tokugawa Ieyasu had unified Japan after centuries of civil war. He became shogun, the supreme military ruler, and Edo Castle became his throne. From this fortress, Ieyasu and his descendants ruled Japan for more than 260 years. Edo Castle was immense, a city within a city. Its inner citadel, the Hanmaru, was surrounded by multiple layers of walls, moats, and gates. Stone bridges arched over emerald waters, towers loomed above, and samurai patrols guarded every corridor. The outer grounds housed over 10,000 residents, retainers, servants, and guards, forming a living machine of absolute order. At its height, Edo Castle was one of the largest fortresses ever built. Its perimeter stretched over 4 miles, protected by moats deep enough to stop an army. It was said that the shogun could walk for an hour inside his own residence and still not reach its edge. But this fortress was not only physical, it was psychological. Its design reflected a world built on hierarchy and secrecy. Only those granted permission could pass from one gate to another. Every hallway, every courtyard, every bridge symbolized rank. Even whispers could be dangerous here. Within these walls, the shogun's word was law and his power absolute. Then came the mid-19th century. Japan, after centuries of isolation, was forced to open to the world. Western ships arrived, and with them came new ideas, technologies, and political unrest. In 1868, everything changed. The Tokugawa shogunate collapsed. The emperor, once a ceremonial figure, reclaimed power. This event was called the Meiji Restoration, named after Emperor Meiji, who would lead Japan's transformation into a modern nation. The new government needed a symbol of renewal, so they chose Edo Castle, the heart of the old regime, and made it the seat of the emperor. Edo became Tokyo, meaning Eastern capital. The age of the shogun ended, and the Imperial Palace was born. But instead of erasing the old castle, they simply built over it. They covered walls, sealed gates, and buried the tunnels. And with that, Edo Castle sank into silence. Today, when visitors stroll through the imperial gardens, they see manicured lawns, elegant bridges, and the famous Nijubashi Bridge reflected in still waters. But what they don't see, what no one sees, are the ruins lying directly beneath their feet. Historians estimate that nearly 90% of the original Edo Castle remains underground, sealed beneath the modern palace. Deep tunnels, hidden chambers, and massive stone foundations still lie where they were centuries ago. During renovation projects in the 20th century, workers sometimes reported finding staircases that led to nowhere, blocked stone corridors, or air vents emerging from the earth. No official explanation was given. The Imperial Household Agency, which manages the palace, restricts access to all subterranean areas. Even palace staff and security officers are forbidden from exploring below. The stated reason: preservation and security. But Tokyo's urban legends tell another story. According to some records and oral histories, Edo Castle was built with escape tunnels, intricate underground routes that connected the inner citadel to distant parts of the city. Some passages were said to stretch all the way to Ueno, a district known today for its vast park and museums. Once a stronghold of samurai loyal to the shogun. Others were believed to lead south toward Tokyo Bay, where hidden exits allowed boats to carry fugitives out to sea. Engineers of the Edo era were master builders. They constructed the castle's moats and walls with precision that still puzzles modern architects. If they built escape tunnels, it's possible they survive, sealed but intact. Rumors even claim that during World War II, the Japanese military reused some of these old tunnels for secret operations. But after the war, U.S. occupation forces mapped the palace grounds and sealed most of what they found. Those documents remain classified to this day. Standing today before the Imperial Palace gates, it's hard to imagine that beneath the calm gardens lies a buried empire, a world of shoguns and samurai, sealed off by history itself. And yet, the air still feels thick, as if the ground remembers. Because here, in Tokyo's core, power never vanished. It simply changed form. The shogun's throne became the emperor's. The fortress became a palace. The walls of authority still stand. Only their rulers have changed. When cherry blossoms bloom each spring over the palace moat, they hide what time has not destroyed. Below the petals and the grass lies a sleeping labyrinth, a place where Japan's old power still breathes quietly, unseen. And as the sun sets over Tokyo's skyline, the reflection of the palace walls glows gold in the water, a reminder that beneath every empire of light lies a foundation of shadow. Because history, like the castle below, is never truly buried. It only waits for someone to listen.